सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो सारी।
सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सेलेंस का पीछा करो। सक्सेस झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी।
किस महापुरुष ने कहा?
Give me some sunshine, give me some rain.
We have made an entire system where the entire focus is that I have to complete the syllabus. Okay? Now to complete the syllabus, the focus is so strong that we come inside a classroom, we try to finish a syllabus and go out. Okay? Has the student understood? Has the front desk student understood it as well as the last boy sitting in the last bench or the last boy sitting at the top of the auditorium? Do we ever ask this question to ourselves? Most often we don't ask. Why? Because we are in a hurry, we have to finish a syllabus. And that is why most often students don't relate to what is being taught.
तो आप यही लिखेंगे।
Father picks him up. हाँ मेरा कितना सुंदर बच्चा बड़ा के इंजीनियर बनेगा।
1978 मेरा जन्म 5:15 पे हुआ और 5:16 पर अब्बा ने कहा
मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा।
Okay? That is how our lives are spent. Our lives are spent being pushed around. It begins at home. Why? Because as I said, your father wants you to become an engineer. And this engineering concept, has ruined so many lives in this country that I can't tell you. And let me tell this to you. Don't think those who make to IIT are the people whose lives are made. I say, what do you want to become? I want to become a mechanical engineer, yaar. Why do you want to become a mechanical engineer? क्या होता है पता नहीं है, पापा ने बोला. Okay? Papa has told that mechanical engineer बनेगा. क्यों? अरे नेबर का बच्चा बन गया, रिलेटिव का बच्चा बन गया, तू ही गधे का बच्चा नालायक.
वो अपने कपूर साहब कह रहे थे कि खुशकिस्मत हो कि तुम्हारा बेटा आईसीई में पढ़ता है। वो क्या सोचेंगे?
Papa comes and says पढ़, Mama comes and says खा और पढ़. Okay? And I'm eating, studying, no TV, no friend, no movie, no Shahrukh Khan. हाँ?
उधर देखिए, एक ही एयर कंडीशनर अफोर्ड कर सकते थे हम, और वो हमने अपने नहीं फरहान के कमरे में लगाया ताकि वो सुकून से पढ़ सके। कार नहीं खरीदी मैंने, आज तक स्कूटर चलाता हूं। सारा पैसा हमने फरहान की पढ़ाई में लगा दिया। अपना फ्यूचर हमने फरहान के फ्यूचर के लिए कुर्बान कर दिया, समझे कि नहीं आप?
I went to my friend. I said, रिजल्ट आ गया, अब चल खेलने चलते हैं. बोला नहीं यार नहीं जा सकता. I said क्यों? बोला फेल हो गया. Now, Papa tells me that beta, you stay at home and go to IIT. What do? I say no. My friend used to stay in house caste, and guess where is IIT in Delhi? It's in house caste. Kharsa, if you spit, it falls in IIT campus. But he wouldn't stay at home. Where will he stay? He will stay in IIT hostel. Okay, so the first thing that happens is that he disowns his own papa.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो
What is his key aim in life then? His aim in life then is कि 4 साल I was inside a locked up room. Now, what do I want to do? Now my aim is that now I will go and socialize. Socialization तो खत्म हो गया. Now what do? Rock, cocaine, and then they become so perverted. It's incredible. I'm sure some of your relatives would have passed out of IIT Delhi or any other IIT, I don't care. But IIT Delhi, if they are, even if he is a 45-year-old uncle of yours, tell your uncle that, Uncle, Arindam came and spoke, and he was telling that in IIT Delhi as a ritual, they used to strip you naked and then make you run around the campus as a part of ragging. If he says no, get him to me. I'll make him say yes. Okay? And it's unbelievable. Why? Because when you don't have not socialized, when you have not played cricket, when you have not seen Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, when you have not done anything in life for 4 years, then your concepts of socializing become perverted. So you call a junior, tu idhar aa, ye le mera juta, 1 saal tu polish kar. You know, take my underwears, 1 year you will clean it. And you keep, you know, this is a part of your nagging.
इसको मूत्र विसर्जन बोला।
You never understand. Why are we being taught this? How is it going to benefit me? You never enjoy. IIT students come to IIPM for entrance test. Mechanical engineering student. I ask them, what is the third law of thermodynamics? Blank. Because everywhere the focus is that we must mug up. How it's going to change our life is not known.
मेरा समझे रट्टा मारेगा तो यही होगा। देख 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 ना, रट्टा मार के तू कॉलेज के 4 साल तो अपनी इज्जत बचा लेगा, लेकिन लाइफ के अगले 40 साल तेरा बलात्कार होता रहेगा, बलात्कार।
You know, we have got this company. It requires students with engineering background because the job is engineering related. They say, खबरदार, हाँ, engineering का बात मत करना। Like, क्यों? क्या बनना चाहता? Oh, I want to become a wealth manager, an investment banker, a security analyst, a treasury manager, a strategy manager, a marketing strategy planner, an HR manager, an advertising guy. But I don't want to have anything to do with engineering.
तो और क्या बोलूं? पहले इंजीनियरिंग की, उसके बाद एमबीए किया, उसके बाद अमेरिका जाके बैंक में नौकरी कर रहा है। अगर बैंक में नौकरी करनी थी तो इंजीनियरिंग काहे के लिए किया?
Unfortunately, as I just said, that our parents and our system work most hard to destroy our passion. They never let it develop. What is my passion? I've never been allowed to develop. What am I studying? I'm studying for engineering. Why? It is my father's passion. Not even his passion. His complex. Neighbor's son has gotten, so he must get in. That is my complex. I want to satisfy through you. Instead of asking you, what is it that you like? What is it that you should chase?
मुझे नहीं समझ आती इंजीनियरिंग। बन भी गया ना तो बहुत खराब इंजीनियर बनूंगा अब्बा। रांची बहुत सिंपल सी बात कहता है, जो काम में मजा आए उसे अपना प्रोफेशन बनाओ, फिर काम काम नहीं खेल लगेगा।
So what is success? Success is the courage to undertake the journey that you believe in. And you ask any successful man, and the unbelievable beauty of the story is that everybody will say that they passionately followed something that they believed in. They did not do something for a reward. They did not do something for a Mercedes. They did not do something for the bank balance. They did it because they believed in it.
बाबा रणछोड़दास बिल्कुल सही कहते थे, बच्चा काबिल बनो काबिल, कामयाबी तो साली झक मार के पीछे भागेगी।
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी पर जाके बोल।